How to enable email, new posts, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable email, new posts, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and here you will find library. Click on it and then click here in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find notifications, and now here you will find new posts. This one, new posts by followed user. All you need to do is just click on it, turn it on, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.